Arts at the Old Fire Station. OFS. Formerly, the Old Fire Station Theatre and Old Fire Station Arts Centre, is a social enterprise in Oxford. 40 George Street, Gloucester Green, Oxford. OX12AQ. Comprising a gallery, theatre and studio for dance, drama and music, workshops for artists as well as a shop selling original work by artists and designers. There are studios available to hire for classes, rehearsals and meetings. Arts at the Old Fire Station was redeveloped in 2011 for use as a Crisis Skylight Centre. Crisis Skylight Oxford is a training centre providing creative and formal learning opportunities to homeless and vulnerably housed people and a dedicated employment service which helps them find and keep jobs. The Crisis Skylight Cafe provides on-the-job training as well as food and drink to the wider public. See also: Burton Taylor Theatre, New Theatre Oxford, Oxford Playhouse. Official website. Brief history of the Old Fire Station building.